That might be copyrighted. I should probably stop. All right, guys, welcome to Code Names, the game where I give you some notes on a music staff and you tell me what the code word is. I'll give you a few seconds to guess the code word. If you need more time, just hit pause. Number 1. Ace. Number 2. Big. Number 3. Fad. Number 4. Age. Number 5. Death. Number 6. Cage. Number 7. Face. Number 8. Badge. Number 9. Beef. Number 10. Cafe. Number 11. Edge. Number 12. Baggage. Number 13. Facade. It's a fancy one. And last but not least, number 14. Cabbage. Who would have thought you'd end your music practice with a vegetable? We're going to talk about how these notes line up with your fretboard, so please catch the next lesson, and we'll play another round of code names with the guitar. I'll see you there.